Is your organization being weighed down by an endless stream of paperwork? Introducing LaunchCloud, a powerful drag-and-drop form builder which will save you time and money, allowing you to scale your business and finally get away from the paperwork that is weighing you down. All your manual processes together, on the web or offline on our iOS and Android apps. Work from hundreds of pre-designed form templates or design your own. Add signature, video, take photos, and even draw over them. Quickly add personalized branding and automated emails. Go beyond spreadsheets and gain insights into the data you collect with comprehensive analytic and graphing tools built right into the platform. LaunchCloud will allow you to focus on the things that really matter, like the customers you serve and the products and services you offer. LaunchCloud allows everyone in your team to access the resources they need. Never search for a piece of paperwork again. Secure data storage with one-click install integrations and a simple interface puts the power in the hands of you and your team, wherever your location. LaunchCloud. Automation so simple, it feels like magic.